I've just built a test setup to explore the idea of sending data over an audio channel. So we want to send our sensor data over an audio channel like this. This is a transmitter, usually plugs into a microphone, and this is the receiver. We want to do this because we need a more reliable data link for sending sensor data in performance scenarios where Bluetooth and Wi-Fi can be unreliable, and systems like this are very well proven. So in this setup I have a sensor here which is streaming UART directly to the transmitter into its microphone input, and that's transmitting to this receiver. The audio signals coming out of the receiver into this circuit. There's a small analog front end here just doing some cleaning up the signal a bit, and then a microcontroller just doing some logic to recover the UART signal, just going into this FTDI serial converter, and then that's connected by USB to the computer. And the data is coming through here. You can see that it's an OSC bundle with a timestamp, and it happens to be humidity that's being shown here. And this is 44 bytes, this packet, and it's coming through at about 24 messages per second. So this is pretty inefficient encoding using an OSC bundle and just OSC in general. If all it needs to be transmitted is one float, 4 bytes, and it's 44 bytes long, you can easily get 10 times the throughput with more efficient encoding. So in this specific example, if all we want to do is transmit that number, we could get 240 messages per second, around that, with more efficient encoding. Also, the serial link is using 9.6K baud. That's another limitation that could probably be reduced a bit. Typically these audio transmitters will have a bandwidth of around 16K going up to 24K for higher quality units. So this is just under 10 kilohertz to be safe and get a clear signal, but with some further development I'm sure that could be increased as well. So this throughput we're seeing here, which is probably suitable for many applications, I think could easily be an order of magnitude greater with some further development. So yeah, that's it. I'm quite pleased with the setup. It shows that it can be done fairly simply, and with some further development I'm sure we can get a lot better performance.